All right, in this problem, we are being asked to find the geometric mean of these two values, 24 and 48. So the geometric mean of two positive numbers, A and B, is the positive number X. So we're looking for that value that satisfies A over X being equivalent to X over B. All right, so when we know this, or when we understand this, X squared is gonna be just those two values multiplied together. And that value that we're looking for, the geometric mean, the value right here, X, is gonna be the root of A times B. So all we have to do for a problem like this is we're just gonna set it up saying X squared is equal to A times B, the product of A and B, so the product of 24 and 48. So 24 times 48. Now, we can go and multiply this together and get some large value, so I'm not going to want to deal with such a large value. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, what's the root of, to cancel the exponent of 2, right? So, but before I do that, I want to come up with something that's equivalent to 24. So I'm looking at 48, and if I cut it in half, 48 cut in half, 24 times 2, same thing as 48. But now if I have two 24s, underneath a radical, they'll cancel each other out. So right now, this is what we're looking at. X squared is equal to 24 times 48. I split 48 in half so that I have matching 24s. Because what I need to do to get rid of this exponent here is the inverse operation. The opposite of squaring something is square rooting it. That will cancel out the exponent. When I go and I take the square root of all of this, well, the square root of 24 times 24, remember, square roots, multiplying two numbers together that are the same. Those are inverses of each other, so that's going to just break that off. You're no longer going to have the square root symbol around 24. There's no radical around it. So you're just left with 24, and you still have root 2. Okay, so 24, think of it, 24 squared is the same thing as 24 times 24. Square root cancels the exponent. Okay, so 24 root 2 would be your geometric mean. That would be the one and only value that when A over X is equal to X over B, this is the value we're looking for, finding the geometric mean.